Okay? But what do you notice? Okay, is it like a nice flat straight cliff? No. What's happened?
And the water over time has broken down.
Exactly. Thank you, Imogen. So
And it'll forever do that.
yeah, absolutely. So the water, okay, is working its way underneath the landmass. It's washing it away. Think about it. The waves hit over and over and over again. Like a wave might hit the shore 1,000 times a day, maybe more. Okay? It's like washing your hands. It's wiping the dirt off your hands. Okay? Well, it's wiping the dirt off of this land.
For some reason, both of those pictures look like it could be in a Minecraft world.
It very could be, but you stay focused on what we're talking about. Okay? Okay? What do you think is going to happen over time? Yes.
Avalanche.
It's not an avalanche because that's in a mountain with snow. There's no mountain or snow in this picture. What's going to happen?
So the water area might grow, like the hole might get bigger.
The hole's going to get bigger. What's going to happen? So my concern when I look at this picture, like what are you concerned about when you look at it? The water is eating away at the
Someone says it's all time.
water's all yes, it's very true. Gets in your house, finds a way. Water always wins. Now, I just circled a chunk of land. Okay? That chunk is probably pretty heavy. Okay?
Yeah.
It's hanging out over the water. The water keeps cutting underneath it. What's going to happen to that piece of land eventually?
It's gonna fall.
Thank you. It's going to break off. It's going to fall. Okay? Which means that section of land will be gone forever. Okay? Water erodes the shoreline. When erosion happens, we lose the land forever. Okay? In very rare situations that it can be built back. Okay? Because it took millions of years for that shape, that land to happen. Okay? And it was with glaciers and tectonic plates and things like that. They're not there anymore. Okay? So it's not going to happen again. That piece of land, once it breaks off, is gone. That means the land is smaller. Okay? Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Of course it does.
Side. Okay, we have a wind picture. So this is erosion by wind. Notice that there's no water, right, in this picture? Okay. So how did this rock get these crazy shapes?
I didn't know they could do that.
Oh, it can.
I guess gravity.
Well, gravity would have pulled stuff away from it, but what are we talking about?
We're talking about rocks.
We're talking about wind erosion.
Maybe,
right?
maybe it must have like built like that.
No,
Oh,
it was probably more like, a bigger shape, right? Okay? But every day, the wind is hitting it. Okay? The wind is hitting it. Now, this is not a rock that's like, solid. Okay? This is made up of smaller minerals, okay, that are obviously not as well attached. Okay? They don't have the strong bond as something. Sometimes you pick up some something that looks like a rock. Okay, so that's erosion.